Have you ever wondered how to make a shift run on Roblox Studio? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that. So, it's pretty simple. It's a great way to get introduced into scripting and, just overall coding in general. Lua is a pretty simple language. Well, it's one of the more simpler ones, but anyways, let's dive straight into it. First thing you want to do is make sure you have the Explorer up. If you don't know how to do that, go into View here, and look for Explorer, should be the big one here. And Properties, I like to keep that open. Oh, and make sure to have your output found right here. And make sure that you have that open just in case you don't copy something right, and if it doesn't work, it'll come up down here. It can take you exactly where the problem is. So anyways, first thing you want to do, go over down here, starter player, starter player scripts, and you want to insert a local script. You can name this whatever, shift run, whatever. First thing I like to do, backspace. So first thing we're going to do, local uis is equal to game.Service. Then UserInputService. So what this does, press something I shouldn't have. So what it does is you're just defining like, oh, what is this? This means go get this, do this, and make sure to get this. That's pretty much it. And we're going to do something similar here. So local player is equal to game.Players.LocalPlayer. So what this does is you're just telling that, oh, this is really just game, so, get this, then get this here, and then get this. So anyways, uis, and then we're going to do .InputBegan, connect, and then function, input, enter that. So if you're wondering how to do that, so you see how just put your cursor in between the two brackets here, and then just hit enter, and it should bring you here. Then we're going to do if input dot key code is that dot key code then square bracket. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Player.Name speed is equal to 30. So what this does is it checks to see if the input, when you press down, let's say shift, is equal to, so let's say when you press like W, you don't like go forward. Your walk speed here is fast. It makes sure that you only walk fast when you hold down left shift, and then it's just checking to see that. And then if it's, let's say if it's true, it just execute this lines of code here. All what it does is it changes the Humanoid.WalkSpeed from I believe the base game or base whatever is 16, and it just changes it. And then we're just gonna, so right now if you were to do it, when you press shift, it would only keep you fast, even though if you weren't holding on to it. So we're gonna change that, so uis dot input ended connect, and we're just pretty much nope, that's not what I want. Function, and then input again. It's pretty much going to be the same thing as before. So, and then we're just going to do if input, input that KeyCode is KeyCode.shift, and this thing right here is it's just getting the player. So you just find this, and you want to find the name of it, so that it's like so that it actually works. Because you don't want to have one person hold F shift or left shift to go run fast, and then everybody all of a sudden go run fast. So and then humanoid. Nope. Oops. Walk speed is equal to 16. So what this is, this only changes how fast you want the player to walk when you hold down shift. So you can always change that to like 25 or no 100, but 25 or 30 is where I have it. I'll put it to 25. So let's try it out. Just want to test it. Always make sure to test it and make sure it works. And I see here, doesn't work. That's not good. I probably messed something up. Let's see here. I don't know what I messed up. There we go. So it's saying line 12 here. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop it. So sometimes, oh, I wanted that one. So sometimes, this happens. I'll put a coding. Things like to just combust in on themselves. Don't worry. Just try and figure out. If you can't figure out, always get somebody else's help. In this case, I have it on a different screen. I'm just trying to figure what I did wrong and tell you. Yeah, it's probably because I don't know what I did wrong. Oh wait, so I always want to check your capitals. So you want to make sure the capital S, the S here is a capital, or else it won't work. It's the small little details like that you always got to remember. Now if you try it, it now works. So it's as simple as that. To just commit to make your own script. See, it works. You did it. And this is just other error codes that I don't know what's going on. But yeah, this is it. It's pretty simple. Don't have to. It's not that complicated. You can go out there and create your own things.